This song is for a girl named Jessica, and she was my best friend for a very long time, but she's been gone for 10 years now, and this song has always reminded me of her, so I'm going to play it for you and for her. So this is Fire and Rain by James Taylor. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Susan, the plans they made, putting them to you. I woke up this morning and I wrote down this song. Just can't remember who to send it to. Oh, I've seen